Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join a squad in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. Mobile Legends Bang Bang allows players to team up with friends or other players by joining into their squad. First of all, launch open Mobile Legends Bang Bang on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. From the lobby screen or the home page of Mobile Legends Bang Bang, go ahead and look for the social menu, which should appear over here on this little screen area over here. And now tap on this little shield kind of an icon to open up this squad menu. Once you're inside the squad menu, you will see a list of squads that you can join in. Go to the active squads option and select the squad you want to join into, and then click on apply at the bottom right corner. There are some requirements you must have, and that will be listed on the bottom right corner over here. Some squad might be free of requirements as well. Simply go ahead and find the squad, and then if you meet the requirements, click on apply. Now you'll need to wait for the squad's leader's approval. Once they approve, you will appear in the members list. You'll then be able to chat in squad chat, join matches with squad members, and participate in squad events. So that's how you successfully join a squad in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.